Okay, guys. Do you hear that? That's the sound of rain. Look at this. That's the freaking sound of rain.
Yeah.
Look, it's raining outside. It even fell. This thing fell. It's like lighting outside. It's raining.
What's raining in the house?
Yeah, it took that thing down. It took it down. Oh, the frick!
Whoa, what the frick?
Well, you guys can see that everything is torn down. There's a bunch of water in my tablet. Look what the heck is going on, dude. Look, it's freaking raining outside. You hear that, guys? You hear that? I know you do. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I just took a shower and I came back from the shower and I look at this. I look at the umbrella that is torn down. Imagine just lightning showing up in your backyard, dude. Oh yeah, this is my cousin. Say hi. Say hi.
Wow.
In here.
That's me.
He can hear you. He can hear you. Say hi.
That's me.
Yeah, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, thank you. You're like the lamest hi ever. Like, hi. But what the heck? Oh yeah, this is my brother again.
Hi.
That was a cheerful hi. And my cousin is watching Mario. Probably get copyright, but who cares? Probably I do. I can't. Excuse me. Oh, frick. But yeah, that was a clip of rain. Oh my god. Oh, we're not done yet. You guys hear that, right? You know I'm not tripping out, right? I'm not the one who's tripping out, right? Guys. Dude. No, we're ending this video. Guys, bye. We're gonna get hit by a street lightning.